Okay, so if you've got Wispr Flow installed on Windows already, let me show you exactly how to use it. Push to talk, hands-free mode, all of it. Let's go. First thing, click into any text box. Could be an email, a Word doc, Slack, whatever. Cursor just needs to be blinking there. Now hold down your shortcut key. This is the one you set up earlier. Just hold it down. In my case, Ctrl plus Windows. You'll see this little bar pop up, and once those bars start moving, that means it's listening. Now just talk normally. Hey, just checking in on the report. Let me know if you need anything else from me, and when you're done, just let go of the key. Boom, text drops right in. Punctuation, capitalization, all done for you. No need to say period or comma, it figures that out. Now here's the one people sleep on, hands-free mode. This is for when you're dictating something longer, like an email or a brain dump, and you don't want to hold a key the whole time. On Windows, just press Ctrl, Windows key, and space together. That starts it. I'm not holding anything down now. Wait for that little ping or just watch the bar. Once it's moving, it's listening. Just keep talking naturally. Pause all you want, it won't stop on you. So, for the client update, I want to mention that we finished the first draft and we're waiting on their feedback before moving to revisions. When you're done, press Ctrl and Windows again. That stops it and pastes your text. And there it is. Full paragraph, no key holding required. Great for long messages or when your hand's busy with something else. So that's the two main ways to dictate. Push to talk for quick stuff, hands-free for the longer ones. Try both out and see which one fits how you work. Catch you in the next one.